Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your LENOVO Tab M8. So if you have a lot of spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside or just on your home screen, or you see something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: System Settings and Antivirus app. So let's jump to the first method. Open the settings, now go to the apps, and choose Fill Apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just select it and click on Install button. Choose OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Then select the storage and cache and choose Manage Space or Release Storage. Now tap on the Clear All Data and choose OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus apps, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it in the Avast. So in this application you have to choose Continue with Ads and tap on the Scan Now button. Click on the OK and allow a permission to the files. Then go back, scanning process should start automatically, and after that your tablet should be free from any unwanted software that you have. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.